First, remove the grip. If it's difficult to take out, you can try using a heat gun. Use a size 5 wrench to remove the brake lever. Adjust the screw as shown in the video to match the same setting. Then remove the brake cable. Disconnect the brake lever cable. And the brake lever can then be removed. Next, install the new brake lever. Align the arrow and insert the brake cable into it. Reattach the brake cable to the lever and tighten the screw. Finally, reinstall the grip.